Good morning, this is Sean from 911 Reviews. We do a fair share of new high-tech gadgets, but today we've got something fun and relaxing that's about 250 million years old. It's a Himalayan salt lamp from Ripe Thought.
Qué lindo eres.
Yes, it is pretty, and it's 100% real Himalayan salt from deep in the Himalayas, so you won't be finding dinosaur DNA in it. But it's a great, relaxing light source for your home or office. It's shipped ready to use, so you just plug it in and adjust the dimmer switch to taste. If you haven't heard about these lamps, they're becoming one of the most popular natural health gadgets around. It definitely has a relaxing glow to it. I used a couple different cameras to try and give you a better idea of what it looks like in real life. So here's what people generally say about the effects of having one of these. It can produce better mood, better sleep, a calming effect, higher energy levels, reduced allergy and asthma effects. Also, I saw several reports that people's cats love them. Why does that not surprise me? The bulb is easy to replace if you need to, just make sure you replace it with the same wattage of bulb. So why would a lamp do all this? Well, salt does emit negative ions, which has a cleansing effect, and there have been studies showing the benefits of certain wavelengths of incandescent light. But even if these lamps didn't improve people's quality of life, they're definitely really cool looking. And the dimmer switch is very nice too, smooth. So check it out, we'll leave a link below, and let us know in the comments if you've ever had one of these in your home and what it did for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, we've got new reviews all the time. See you next time.